Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny, and in this video we'll be doing a things I've ordered from Amazon that you should order too video. I did one of these like 5 months ago. Y'all really liked it, so I figured if I ever order anything else from Amazon again, y'all need to know about it. I don't know what took me so long to do another one. Honestly, I just kind of haven't been ordering things, but today Amazon haul, Amazon unboxing. I debated like having them already open and unboxed, but then I was like, let's open them together, sitting down, chilling. If something looks different, I cut my hair if you're wondering, but that video probably went out before this one. That with what's going on right now, obviously Prime is kind of like not Prime. People always are curious about like shipping times and how quick did it arrive. Amazon is known for 2-day shipping. Don't get it twisted. Different things arrive on different days. I can respect it. We gotta deal with what we gotta deal with. I'm anxious to open my stuff. I ain't gonna lie. I still got some more stuff on the way. How long do I think I'm gonna let my packages sit there and not use them? So here we are. Let's go ahead and get into it. How about that? Came prepared today. I only deleted 20 minutes on my camera in hopes that I don't talk too much and we can just open everything up. First thing that I have here, oh, these are my cotton balls. 300 count of cotton balls, multi-purpose. It's kind of hit or miss with going outside of the house right now, and I really try to limit that. At some point, it's like I'm gonna just have to order some stuff. I use cotton balls in my skincare routine. When I need to take off nail polish, I sanitize my cell phone nightly, even before coronavirus started. Actually, with me using these basically daily, I ran out. I'll show you all how I keep these stored in a jar in my restroom. The jar that I'm going to show you all on the overlay is from Marshall's, and I'll do screenshots. That way I won't have to delay the video by looking at my phone every single time. But the price on these was pretty good. Normally I get my cotton balls from Dollar Tree. What's going on right now? You know, cotton balls. Alright, what else do we have? Oh, a staple in my drawer. This is the ᶫᵒᵛᵉᵧ Skin Lightening Soap. I went ahead and got the 3 bars this time. The first time I tried it, I ordered the 2-bar pack, but I was like, let me get more. So I know y'all gonna say skin lightening, Destiny, what? And there's like a lot you can read on the back. I won't go into all the details on it. The way that I use this, I don't use the ᶫᵒᵛᵉᵧ soap all over my body, but this is my skin tone, right? Certain areas on the body are disrespectful and don't want to cooperate. So for any darker areas on the body, this is where in my shower routine this soap will be used only. I heard a lot of you guys say where y'all started using it on your face and stuff like that. I don't personally use it on my face. If you look it up on YouTube, you will see that some people use it for their purpose. The lightening soap for me, for those disrespectful areas, let me go from top to bottom so I don't miss anything. The armpits, the inner thighs, the elbows, the knees. During summer months, y'all know we wear like lots of different types of sandals. Sunscreen, sure, it can help. If you're switching in between different sandals, the way the sun is gonna basically tan you around whichever sandals you're currently wearing. So if you've ever seen any of my pedicure videos and y'all like, Destiny feet like so even toned, in the summer months when the feet are out more, that's when you really want to use this. It basically keeps the skin tone even, not all over the body, just like I said, the darker areas. I do only use this soap at night. If you plan on using it during like a morning shower routine or a bath or whatever, make sure you're going in with sunscreen. That's something that I heard from you guys, so I just was like, okay, I'll just use it at night only. And then I always follow up with like a cocoa butter lotion after using this in my nighttime routine. I like to use things that aim at just helping the betterment of, you know, skin tone, complexion, even tone. So read up on this, and it's only 2 in here because like I said, I was starting to open my stuff up, and the price on this is pretty good as well. Oh, on the back it does say for optimum results to use the body lightening lotion with SPF after bathing. It's like I said, if you just use it at night instead of during the day, you see what I'm saying? And then I put on my cocoa butter lotion. Next 2 things that I have here, a tongue scraper. Somebody texted me. I got tongue scraper. It actually got 2 in a pack, or maybe gift the other one to a family member or something like that. 2 different kinds that you can use, basically to keep the tongue all clean and sanitary and nice. Because most of bad breath with that, sure, you can brush your teeth, but if you're not like getting the tongue clean, you know, hygiene is very important to me. And I know you can use your toothbrush, just like brush your tongue as well, but I like separate things for separate things. I was like, ooh, tongue scraper, let me get one. Just some random to put in the cart. I should be like a proper YouTuber and open it and put my phone on vibrate because the group is jumping right now. Jumping, jumping. There we go. There we go. So this is the scraper part. Obviously, I'm going to boil these before I use them to make sure they're sanitized. So ASMR for ya. Can you come out? Okay. And I guess you squeeze this one and then it could conform to the shape of the tongue, and then you can clean all of that off. Like I said, hygiene is important to me, especially, I won't even say especially right now, it's just important. period. The price on these wasn't bad either. I think this was like less than $5. Prices change all the time, so once I properly screenshot some stuff, it might have changed from when I purchased mine. The next thing that I got, because I like to do my own acrylic nails, this video should already be out if you like distracted by my nails while we're doing this. Nails by ᶫᵒᵛᵉᵧ here on YouTube. I was watching one of her nail videos, and I'm a YouTuber, so I check people's description boxes. Like, let me check it, because I just always read people's description boxes. It could be a whole giveaway down there. I don't enter giveaways because I'm a YouTuber, so I feel like I shouldn't, but start reading description boxes. You can miss out on something in life. This is the nail brush she used. She's actually based in Memphis, so shout out to Nails by ᶫᵒᵛᵉᵧ. I love her work, and this is the brush that she had linked in her description box. I was like, if she uses this brush, it has to be a good brush. So I just clicked on her link, actually ordered it from the link she provided, but it's by Panna. It's 100% Kolinsky Panna limited collection, size 8 basically. And the different sizes is just how large or small the brush will be. So you know, if you like do nails, when you have a bigger brush, it won't take you as long to get done. I was wanting to wait on it to come to do my nails, but then I was like, I want my nails done, so the next time I do my nails, actually I'll get to use it. Panna Kolinsky number 8, made in the USA. This will be used in my next nails video. And I wanted to open this and use it on my hair, but then I thought about it, actually, to be able to compare the difference of how this brush works. The hair products that I just used, if you all saw the video when I used the Cream of Nature line, basically I'm going to redo that entire video, but also now incorporate this brush with it. In science and labs and stuff like that, you have to have something to compare it to. So if I use this brush without doing a wash and go first to see how my hair will look, I can't compare the results to something. You see what I'm saying? Y'all probably seen it on Instagram. It's a 2-pack. Actually, me and my sister Dominique both are natural, so one is gonna be for her. I'm keeping the pink one because pink is my favorite color. Oh, it comes with an extra little, whatever this part is for. Oh, if you don't want it to open, like you just want to use it just as a brush, I guess you would clip these on. But as you brush your hair, the bristles are going to spread out like this. If I've done my hair again before editing this video, I'll make sure that there is an overlay included. For the sake of time, I won't try to clip the whole thing on, but you just clip that on the back like this, and it'll be like a 2-in-1 sort of type of brush. I like the quality on it so far, holding it in my hand. It's nice and grippy, and then I can just brush through my hair. So for the comparison hair video, that's what I'm going to be using this for. I get this question a lot. A lot of y'all ask me, like, am I fully natural? My hair is like curled all the way down to the end. I guess some people define natural as whether your curls are popping or not. I define natural as the way your hair comes out of your scalp. You don't chemically alter it. You haven't chemically altered it, and I haven't chemically altered my hair, so I'm natural. Sometimes my curls, they just don't pop that well, but stay tuned. We're gonna try this out and see what this does for my curls. I don't want to open it since it's not mine, but this one's gonna go to Dominique, so both of us will be using these on our channels soon.
Do this, which is no tension on my hair. These two things, when my sister found it on Amazon, it came 2 in a package. She was like, here you go, and I'm like,
let's go to that side and see what we have in here. Oh, this is my business cards holder. So as a YouTuber, when you're vlogging sometimes, and people will be like, what are you doing, you know? And before getting actual business cards, I'll put an overlay on the screen. Let's say, for instance, I'm checking out at Walmart. If the cashier gives me an extra bit of receipt paper, I'll rip it off, write my name on the back. What's the chances of her keeping up with that? You know, like, she might lose it, it might get wet, it might get ruined. And so my mom, she made me these business cards. It's much quicker. Small talk, I don't do that. One of the rappers said it. Put the overlay on the screen, Destiny.
Small talk, don't do that.
Not to say you're like, oh, I don't feel like being bothered, but it saves time to just give a person a card and say, yeah, this is my channel. This is what I'm doing with this camera. Now, to save your cards as well, I don't just walk around and say, hey, check out my channel, check out my channel, check out my channel. Me handing out cards is if the interest is there. If someone sees me vlogging and is curious of what I'm doing, then you give them the card. There's a small chance your cards will get put in the trash can if you're just trying to like grow your subscriber count and you're passing them out. So only give it to people that ask you about it. You know, if they see you vlogging or doing something with your camera, or just taking pictures. If you outside taking pictures for Instagram and they're like, what's she doing taking pictures by herself? Give them a card. Tell them to follow you on Instagram. I wanted a better way to have them in my purse. There's different compartments in purses, sure. But I think it'll be even more professional if I just have them to be able to slip right inside of here. Knowing me, I'm professional with my editing this year, so the overlay should be popping up. They had different colors. I decided to go with the silver and black leather looking one. It's not real leather, but it gets the job done, okay? Whoops. and it's magnetic right here, so it just goes boop right back. And I can keep that in my purse and it'll just be on me all the time. Next thing I have here, oh, I know what this is. This is my favorite scrub ever. So I also ordered some more of the ᶫᵒᵛᵉᵧ scrub. Sure, I can go in Walmart or somewhere and get this. I ain't really trying to do this. I was like, let me order it online. ᶫᵒᵛᵉᵧ makes some of the best scrubs. This is my second time purchasing this one actually. It's the firming sugar scrub. Like I said, I'm really about like skincare, even skin tone, and being toned up and all of that all together. So this is the firming sugar scrub. With firming, it don't mean like I don't gotta go to the gym and lift. This gonna give my legs and body all the firming that it needs, but it assists with cellulite, all of those kinds of things. And I prefer sugar scrubs over salt scrubs because if you have any cuts or burns, salt is gonna let you know, and I would rather not know. Keep it to yourself, okay? But with sugar, this just gets the job done, and I love the consistency of ᶫᵒᵛᵏ scrubs. You know how some scrubs are not scrubby enough, for the lack of better words? This one, why would you touch it, Destiny? Do an overlay. Never mind, because I'm gonna have to go wash my hands. But this one is really scrubby, and since it is the mocha and coffee bean one, you can imagine what that smells like. If you like coffee, think of the smell of coffee as I whiff this around the camera for you to smell. That's what this smells like. The one that I just currently ran out of, actually I'm gonna get it and show you all. This is the one that I actually just ran out of, and I don't like to run out. You know how certain things you like to always have in stock? This is one of those things for me. This one is actually the Hawaiian Cuckoo, if I'm saying that correctly. You may have seen it in my spa night routine. Love this one as well. It's a more sweet scent than the mocha and cocoa bean. The way I do these though, whenever I run out of one, because they have so many different types, I'll try a different scent. I wanted to go back to the firming one because I really like it, you know? It's really scrubby. Like some, whoa, I dropped it. Oh, it didn't waste though. Okay. Like some scrubs, they'll have water in them and then just a few little micro beads or something. This don't play no games. This is all scrub, okay? The only thing that hands down I'll try, because I know y'all like to tell me like, oh, try this or try that. Only scrubs hands down that can go, that can give ᶫᵒᵛᵏ a run for their money. If I can't reach for ᶫᵒᵛᵏ, the only other thing that I'll most likely reach for, Dove has an exfoliating body polish. I don't currently have it. I'll pop it up on the screen to show you all. That's really scrubby too, especially when your skin is wet. You don't want to scrub you rubbing it in, because obviously sugar dissolves in water. So if your skin is wet while you're using the scrub, and it's just like, dang, it's gone already. But these and the Dove exfoliating body polish, essential in your shower routine, okay? Had to get another one since I ran out. Whether you get it in store or on Amazon, the pricing is very good on these. And the first ingredient is sucrose, which is sugar. Now, my bad, I'm not telling you all much about how I use products. So I use this all over the body when I'm showering. I exfoliate basically everywhere with this because I like to remove the dead skin. Before you shave your legs, if you want to exfoliate as well, it gives you a much smoother, longer lasting result. In my pedicure videos, sometimes I may use scrubs for that. On my hands, I try to wear gloves when I'm working out, but to make sure that my hands are all nice and soft, you know, girly, just to maintain. If your nails are done, you don't want rough looking hands, but the nails themselves are cute. So I also use that basically everywhere except for my face. This scrub gets used. So trying to make sure I'm not holding the address, since I didn't take it upon myself to mark everything out. I shouldn't have touched that scrub. It's doing exactly what I knew it was gonna do while I filmed. This is pretty big. I don't remember what this is. Oh, wait, is this mine? Got it. Okay, so ooh, wait, I ordered 2 of these. This is Dominique's. This is Dominique's. I'm gonna tape that back up. This isn't even mine. Wow. And she just did an Amazon haul on her channel. Oh my, okay. We're gonna tape that up and just, you know, pretend like this big one in the back. I'm a YouTuber, so for the aesthetic, I was like, let me put this box in here too. I don't want to include it in the video. It's a birthday gift that I ordered for someone. If I put this in the video, they'll see it. Yeah, so I already took it out, but I wanted the box to sit right there. The aesthetic. Hello. Last thing that I have here, guys, that I wanted to include is from a subscriber. Y'all always message me like, hey, check your PO box, I sent you something. It's from ᶫᵒᵛᵏᵧ in St. Louis. Shout out to the Loop. But she sent me this cute coaster. Look at that. That's me. Do y'all see that? It's a glass coaster basically. I'm getting it greasy because of the scrub, but super cute. So I definitely wanted to include this. Thank you so much, ᶫᵒᵛ. I love this. My headboard is wide enough, so that's most likely where I'm gonna sit this at and like sit my coffee on. Not coffee, you don't drink coffee. And most likely sit my whatever I'm drinking for the night is gonna sit on this. My tea, my juice. This is super cute. Like, I love personalized gifts like this. They mean so much. Like, it's not just a coaster. You can look at this and know this is my coaster, okay? Because it has me on it. I put the picture up that the original from what this is from on my Instagram, and it also does say Destiny on there. Thank you so much, Jalisa, for this. I absolutely love it. I haven't started using it yet because I opened it and I was like, oh, let me put it away so that I can include it in the video. Then now everything is open. Life of a YouTuber. Procrastinating on opening my own things. Oh, in the previous things I've ordered that you should order too, I showed the Galaxy Buds. After that, I had ordered the actual case for them. I broke the little chain part that helps me to attach it to the keys. I like to have my Galaxy Buds on me at all times, so I was like, if I get a case that has like a little hook on it, they'll always be on me. Obviously, when you leave the house, your keys are with you, so my Galaxy Buds will be with me. I wouldn't say that the make of this is faulty. I guess my care with it, I probably broke it. I can definitely just loop like a key ring through it and still attach it back to my keys. The Galaxy Buds can be charged wirelessly, which means I can just pop them right on my alarm clock without having to take them out of the case. Love that for me. And they're fully charged right now. Got like the little pop outs, so I can still plug it in if I want to charge it that way, or like I said, just sit it on top of my alarm clock and charge it wirelessly. It's like a silicone one. They have different colors, but with certain things I like to keep it a little more simple and sleek, so I went with just a solid black one. I think that's it. So that's pretty much everything that I've recently ordered from Amazon that you all should order too. No, you really should. I will have all of the items that I just showed to you all, and a few things that I mentioned but didn't order, like the Dove body polish, will be linked in the description box down below. Disclaimer, FTC disclaimer, they are affiliate links. If you don't want me to get a little coin from, you know, using my link, maybe just Google on your own without clicking my link. Although I don't see why you wouldn't just use the link, you know, like it's no extra charge to you for using my link, sis, but I have to put that out there because hello, FTC, I don't want to get sued or nothing. Either way, questions or comments, leave all of that down below. If you want more videos like this on my channel, be sure to give this one a thumbs up, that way I will know. And if you're still here, you definitely need to subscribe because you rocking with your girl. You made it all the way to the end, so shout out to you. I love you guys so much for that, and I will talk to you all in my next upload. Bye.
That's just how I'm living.